Hello everyone. Today's discuss MakeCode's battery-free technology empowers children to code sustainably. Children can use it to create battery-free, energy-harvesting devices that do not require charging. BatteryFree. It is based on Microsoft MakeCode. MakeCode is a good way to learn how to code. The visual platform facilitates coding. Create Tetris-like games by dragging and dropping pre-made code. They can construct step counters and music players. BatteryFree MakeCode features an upgrade that turns it into a version that can build programs for electronic devices powered by vibrations, movement, radio frequency transmissions, and the sun. Avoiding a fire in the dumpster. When Hester thinks about his native Hawaiian heritage, he comes up with battery-free gadgets that make computing more environmentally friendly. Learn to code, but with a rechargeable battery. Only people who are very good at programming and have a lot of experience with battery-free devices can write programs for them. The main problem with energy harvesting is that it can be hard to predict. Hawaiian coding reinvented. Hester got the concept for the project from teachers at a bilingual, Hawaiian and English, public school. The school had mostly indigenous kids, native Hawaiian. More details click on below link. Thank you.